Hi, I'm Henry Coombs at CADline, and I'm going to show you how we can easily navigate around a model using BIM 360 Glue. First of all, I've preset up some views in my right hand corner to make it a little bit easier. So for example, I've already set a view at the front of the building on the ground floor. And the main way to navigate around a model is by using this navigation wheel, which follows your mouse around with you everywhere. And you can access this by accessing this toolbar on the right hand side and clicking full navigation wheel, and that will appear. So we have a number of different options here. We have zoom, orbit, pan, rewind. We can walk, we can center, we can look, and we can use our up and down function there. I'm just going to walk by holding in with my left click and dragging forward. You can see a little arrow appears, and where that arrow appears is the direction that we're going to be walking. So I can just stop, and we can utilize our pan feature to look up on the first floor. Now we can walk up the stairs if we like, but we're just going to use the pan feature to get up there because it's a little bit easier. So we can select pan on our navigation wheel. I can just drag my mouse up and that will just pan me up there. And then what I can do here is I can use my zoom feature. So I can just click and I can drag that along. You might need to just rearrange as you go. I can zoom there. And now you can see I'm on the first floor there. We now have the ability to look around. So I can hold my look feature there and go left and right. And just have a little look around there. Turn that all the way around. And then we might want to go back and do a little bit of walking. So you can see a combination of all of these options will allow you to navigate around the model. Now remember, all the while you're doing this, you're able to save viewpoints as shown in a previous video, and this will help when you do your walk around in your design team meetings, and you can mark up things and you can just keep track of everything that you spoke about in that meeting. So now let's go and turn off some geometry. And to do that, I've set up a view here in room 2 on the ground floor. So I'm just going to double click there, and that's taken me to room 2. What I can do here is I can just select, for example, this ceiling. I can right click and I can hide that ceiling. You can see now it's exposed all my mechanical ductwork. So now, utilizing my navigation wheel, I can use a combination of the tools to get up there and have a look at what's going on. So I can see there, it looks like we have a bit of ductwork clashing with the steel. So I can go to my navigation wheel. I'm just going to zoom up there, and then I'm going to go to my orbit tool now. So I'm going to select on that, just going to spin that around there like so, do a bit of panning to move myself where I need to be, and I just want to check that is a bit of ductwork. So I've clicked on it there, that's ductwork, and then I'm going to click on that and it's a universal beam. So I can see there I've just picked up a clash just by looking around. And again, you come back to your viewpoints here to save that and communicate that to the team as shown in previous videos.